Hi, my name is Kjell-Olov and I'm learning Fusion 360. Today I'm going to continue to follow this LinkedIn learning course, Autodesk Fusion 360 Designing for Wood. So I'm in macOS High Sierra 10.13.5 and I'm in Fusion 360 2.0.4233. Let's go! I'm going to start off by change the units here to inches because the course is 14 inches, so it's complicated to use anything else. So that's that. And now I'm going to go here. And I suppose when I select this, now the whole drawing here is selected. And so I'm going to go to Modify, Change Parameters. So we're going to add a user parameter. And it seems I press the plus sign there. And going to enter a material parameter, whatever that is, launcher material. So now I have this user parameter and I'm going to add a second one, which is the seat width. And that one is going to be 24 inches. And that's a comment. So it seems these are actually, if you're a programmer, these are variables. Named variables. So I now have something called material that has a value of 3/4 of an inch, and we have the seat width, which has a value of 24 inches. So now I suppose I can use these variables in my design here, and the design will take the values from here. So if I change these variables in the future, it will affect my design. So that's how I think I understand it for now. Next thing we're going to do is to extrude this two-dimensional drawing here into an actual body. So it seems I go here, double click, no, I click there, and now I activated this side. Or should I even go down here? No, this cube seems to indicate that this is a component, so this I can work with. These are members of this. It's a little confusing, this differentiation between stuff here in the tree, but well, let's see how it goes. This one I can select, this one I can't select, so yeah. And now I'm going to go to Modify, Create, and I'm going to find Extrude here. And that seems to work. So I selected Create Extrude and I clicked here to select the area, I suppose. And now I can click and hold, yeah. Okay, easy enough. So now we're going to use the arguments or parameters that we created. So we're going to enter material, and I get a selection here, so it searches for a match, and this one match, so let's use that one. And there you go. That doesn't look very nice, does it? But nevertheless, I screw up the units initially, so now I'm using inches, and the original drawing was used in millimeters, so yeah, but still works. Okay, next we're going to create a new sketch. So I click on the front here to navigate to the front of my design, and I go to Sketch, Create Sketch, and now I can create a line. I right click, Sketch, yeah, okay. I don't have to click, I just hold it there and this one opens. Okay, so I'm going to create a line, and okay, what happens now? That was strange. Let's press Escape. Go down to the Pan tool, pan up again, press Escape, I suppose. I seem to still be in my sketch because it's a stop sketch here, so sketch is going on. And oh, I can select a line from here perhaps. Construction, nope. So I right click, sketch, line, I click here, now it works. Yeah, okay. So now I left click and hold, I get an arc, and I left click, hold again, and I get another arc. So yeah, and I suppose I can press Escape. No, I can't. Yeah, I could. Okay. So now I created a path here, I suppose. Oops, sorry about that. It's a little bit touchy with this Apple Touch mouse. Next we're going to make another sketch, a rectangle up here, and I think I'll pan down. So I left click and hold, and then I pan, and then I just click here and I go out of that mode. And now we're going to create a sketch, and let's see, we're going to use the line tool, and we're going to sketch a rectangle here. I suppose I press Escape, and now we're going to go to Constraints to make this rectangle with the sides that are parallel. So let's see, we have parallel here. Yeah, yeah. You have to press the icon there. So we make this one and this one parallel. Yeah, seems to work. I got these symbols here, and I suppose I now have to stop that. I'm still in parallel. Should I click that? That. No, the cursor is misleading. Nothing happens. I get an error. Okay, so I must press, I suppose I press escape, and then I press this again, I press there. What? Aha. Okay, so the error was that it was over-constrained, and I suppose it's because this angle here is already constrained to be perpendicular. So, but then of course it shouldn't be any problem to make those two parallel, because if this is perpendicular, so yeah, I think Fusion 360 is complaining in vain here. Well, anywho, next thing is to add dimensions. So let's see, where's that? Is it sketch? Or maybe it's here. Sketch dimensions. Yeah, there it is. So right click and select in the menu. So we select that one, and now we get this dimension here. So we set this to 2.1 inches. And that's not good. Okay. I really get into trouble here because my chair is in millimeters and I'm following a course that is giving me measurements in inches. Okay. I actually go back to millimeters again. Sorry about this. And then we... So I can't double click here. Maybe now I can. Yes. So it happens now. How do I move that one? What? I'm really going to struggle with Fusion 360. I can't grab it and drag it, so how do I do that? Move. Yeah, okay. Well, that doesn't feel okay, but anywho.
If you like my video, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.